Hi, welcome back to the workshop for episode 14 of the TV Yellow Les Paul Junior build. Shall we do a trial build? Yes, let's. Okay, so in the last episode we sorted out all the electrics, we got the pickup converted and we made the scratch plate. So this thing is almost ready for spray prep. But before I get to that, I just want to do a quick trial build. I want to get everything on the guitar that's going on the guitar so I know that it fits properly, and I'm not going to be doing any adjustments once we've got the finish on. I always think this is a really good idea, even on such a simple build as a Les Paul Junior. It just means you're not likely to get any nasty surprises once you get to final assembly time. So this episode is going to be about just fitting this guitar out, doing the last little bits and pieces. And as is my habit, the first step in that is to get some strap buttons on the job. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is to actually fit the electronics into this, and to do that I need to drill the 2 holes that go through the top to allow these pots to fit. However, they need to be very, very carefully positioned so that I can get everything through as I want them, especially with this absolutely massive capacitor on the back. So to make sure I get everything in the right position, I've actually made a little template, and this is going to fit up inside that cavity, and it's got 2 little pilot holes in it, so I can drill through with a 3mm bit, which will give me my absolute bang on centers that I need, and then I can drill through from this side with the appropriate size bit so that we can get those 2 pots in place. However, I will need to get this out again, so I'm just going to put a little screw in the back. However, I am going to have to take that pickup out to do this because the wire's in the way. Now the shafts on these pots are 9.5mm, so I'm going to go with a 10mm FAMAG drill bit. Just clean them up a little bit. Yeah. That's gone beautifully. Happily that all fits together. Absolutely lovely. Okay, so that's the pots fitted. Next up, we just need to put the little jack plate on. Okay, and there's everything on the guitar. That's all gone very, very well. Really happy with it. Looks exactly as I want it to at this stage, so that's all good. See there, into the control cavity with the capacitor of doom, which of course highlights the last remaining issue that we need to deal with, and that's a cover for this control cavity. And as I mentioned earlier, I've already got my template for it, which is not quite fitting, but it's oversized, so that's good because that means I can kind of trim the actual cover down and make it fit really, really well. And I'm just going to use an offcut of this tortoiseshell because it's black on the back, so I can put that face down and we're good to go. So to start with, I'll just draw around this. Now this isn't brilliant to see. Can't really see my pencil marks very well, so just a bit of blue tape on there. Now I'm in two minds actually whether I'm going to route this or not. I might actually just cut this down on the bandsaw and then get it as close as I can on the disc sander and then just fit this with a sanding block until we get a nice snug fit. And there it is, all trial built, and everything's gone together really, really well. Dead happy with it. Everything's where I want it to be. The only thing I haven't put on are the bushings for the tuners, but I'm going to leave those off. It's a bit of a pain to put them in, then take them out and then put them back in again when the finishing's done. So I'll leave that until we're ready for the final assembly. But all in all, I'm very, very happy with the way this has gone together. All worked out absolutely beautifully. So the next step is to take it all off again and start the preparation work for the spraying. However, that's going to be for the next episode, so I'll leave this one here. As always, hit that like button if you've enjoyed, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.